Welcome to ActiveRecruiter Business Edition, brought to you by Job Partners. In this brief video, we'll guide you through the different areas of the solution, from creating jobs to posting your jobs, and allowing your candidates to apply from your career sites. We'll also show you how to move your candidates through your different recruitment workflows, and how to create and apply candidates manually from the back office. Firstly, let's take a look at the Home tab. This is where I first arrive when I log into the solution, and immediately I can see my most recent applications, upcoming interviews, and any tasks I need to complete, such as onboarding tasks or job creation requests from one of my managers. I can also see how my application activity is going with the applications per day graph on the right. Down the left column, I can switch between different back office languages, and in the tag cloud, I can see my top tags for candidates in my talent pool. So if I need to view all candidates I've tagged as having sales experience, all I need to do is click on the sales tag. I can also keep up to date with product features and enhancements with the Job Partners Business Edition blog. Now let's take a look at the different options at the top of the screen, which we call tabs. Firstly, the Jobs tab is where I can create and manage all the jobs I wish to advertise. At the top, I have all of my current active jobs, and in the lower section, I have my library of job templates that make it quicker and easier for me to create jobs that have a similar specification. To create a job, all I need to do is click on the Create New Job option on this page. Firstly, I need to enter a job reference and a title, and select the recruitment workflow I wish to use for this job. Then I need to choose a location, enter a job description, and complete any other relevant fields, such as salary expectation, which is used internally to match candidates to your requirements. On a per job basis, I can choose different candidate questions I wish to ask my candidates as part of their application. I can also use knockout questions to filter potential candidates before they reach the application stage based on certain criteria. Once I've created my job, I may want to post it to one of my career sites. To do so, I simply need to view my job and click the Post Unpost this job option. Here I can see all my job posting channels, so I simply need to select the career site I wish to post to and click Post. The job will now appear on my career site and candidates can start applying straight away. Now let's take a look at the Candidates tab. This is where I can view and manage my talent pool. On this tab, I can see how my talent pool is growing over time, and I can view my most recent candidates. I can also enter candidates manually from this tab and apply them to different positions. This will be useful for candidates who have not come through your career site, but rather have emailed you or sent you their CV. To add a candidate manually, simply click Add New Candidate. This will create a candidate profile like the one you can see here. I can edit these candidate details at any time, and I can apply the candidate to a job simply by selecting Apply for a Job. The Advanced Candidate Search feature will help you to run detailed searches based on criteria such as proximity to your office and skill set. The Applications tab is the main area where I can view and manage all my applications. To manage a candidate through my workflow, all I need to do is select my candidate, and the available options are displayed. I can then, for instance, choose to shortlist a candidate, and their status and place in the workflow will be updated. There are various different kinds of workflow steps. For instance, I can schedule interviews, offer and hire candidates. Workflows and the associated automated emails are all fully configurable. I can also manage candidates through my recruitment workflows in a job-centric way from the Jobs tab. When I hire a candidate, they are removed from my talent pool and become an employee. They now have an employee profile, which I can update with job, salary, and additional personal information. I can also create employees from scratch by clicking Create New Employee. I can search for any of my employees and candidates from the quick search box at the top right of the screen. The Partners tab is like an app store for recruitment. Here I can activate additional features within the solution, such as job board aggregators and test assessment providers. With these additional services, your ActiveRecruiter Business Edition becomes a one-stop shop for your recruitment needs. Simply browse this area and select Activate, and our support team will contact you to discuss the best features and plans for your business. Lastly, the control panel is the main configuration area that is accessible only to system administrator users. From here, you have a variety of options. You can create and edit multiple career sites, set up Twitter and recruitment agent job posting channels, and manage the steps in your recruitment workflows. You can also create automated onboarding tasks for when you hire candidates, maintain your library of candidate and knockout questions, and switch between different back office themes. This area is described in more detail in our other upcoming training videos. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy using ActiveRecruiter Business Edition as much as we did developing it.